Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, which is basically a data collection app that you can put on your phone or your computer or your tablet. I started working with applications like this about 9 years ago, and Nielsen is one of the very first ones that I discovered. So I've been using it for a long time. Join our Nielsen panel and get rewarded. Sign up your computer, smartphones, and tablets to earn up to $60 in reward points for gift cards per year or $5 a month. They've also got games and surveys, but I really don't care about that. All I care about is pure passive income. And this is a great set it and forget it app. Here's how it works. You sign up, answer the registration questions to tell us more about you, your household, and the devices you use. How to set it up. Download our safe and secure Nielsen app or computer software on your qualified devices. Then you earn rewards. Get rewarded just for using your devices and participating in surveys. Only if you want to, but seriously, take 10 minutes to set it up and you'll get $60 a year or $5 a month. It really is that easy. What does the app collect? Our app will let us know what websites and apps you go to and how long you stay there. We do not collect user IDs or passwords. Finally, what are the rewards? Visa, debit cards, US bank transfer, PayPal, and Venmo. Last but not least, there's 28 pages of gift cards to choose from, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Domino's. If you're worried about your privacy, consider getting a used Android or laptop and put all of the apps I talk about on one phone and just leave it at home. If you're new to my channel, I've reviewed several passive income apps already, and you can put all of them on the same phone. So that's Value Me, Mob Profit, Mobile Expression Meter, the Nielsen, there's more. I'll list them all on the thing, I kind of forget, but if you want to just put all of those on one phone and just leave it in your house and then you don't have to worry about it, just check it once a week or something, make sure everything is working properly, and just cash it out. Okay, that's gonna do it for this week's review. If you want to jump ahead, just go to getpaidwithapps.com and go to the all apps section, and you'll find a ton more apps there that I haven't gotten to for videos yet, but you can install them and start making money today. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.